Hello, my name is Alyssa Figueroa and welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today we're going to be talking about how to use the Monopod. This is a great resource to use for man-on-street and film projects. Now let's get right to it. First, you want to open the bag and take out the Monopod. Since it is only one leg, make sure you have a good hold of it with an appropriate grip at all times. It is not balanced on its own, so you must hold it to avoid it falling, which can create any damage to the monopod and camera. Now, just like a regular tripod, you can adjust the handle to your liking. The pan lock is at the bottom near the bubble, the tilt lock is located on the top near the plate, and to adjust the tilt friction, it's the biggest knob in between the pan and tilt lock. Now simply take off the tripod plate and place it onto the camera. And to do so, untwist the knob on the right hand side and push the orange button on the left hand side to slide the plate off. Remember to keep a good hold of the monopod while placing it onto the camera. Place your foot onto the mount of the monopod for balance and stability. Now that we have our camera placed onto the monopod, to raise it up, just simply put your foot onto the pedal and while still having your foot on the pedal, raise it up to your desired height by pulling up. Place your foot on the pedal and gradually push down when you need to. However, if you need even more height, simply untwist the extension, extend the leg, and lock it in. To move the camera forward, just keep your foot on the mount of the monopod and then move the camera forward with a good grip. You can also use the strap for more security. Now you are ready to start shooting. To put the monopod away, take the plate off the camera and place it right back onto the monopod. Make sure to also put down the handle. Push the monopod all the way down to its default height and pull the pedal out and up. Finally, make sure you place it in the bag properly. That's all for this tutorial. If you have any questions, please contact the TSW for further assistance. Thanks for watching.